Hey guys! In today's video, I want to talk about one of my most used quilling tools, the slotted toothpick. Now and then, I get questions from you guys about this tool, what it is, what it does. Well, as you can see, this is a toothpick that you've probably seen me using often in my videos. The reason why I like to use the toothpick more often than the regular quilling slotted tool is because it helps me make a smaller hole in the center of my tight coils. You will notice seeing these two tight coils that there is an evident difference of size in the hole from the middle, because the coil on the left side is made with the slotted toothpick and the one on the right is made with the regular quilling slotted tool. So this is the main reason why I like to use the toothpick, but now let me show you how to make your own quilling slotted toothpick. It is fairly easy and cheap. You'll need to grab a few toothpicks for starters, in case you don't succeed from the first try. But it's okay if you mess up at first, you can always try again because toothpicks are very cheap. You also need some kind of holder in which you will place your toothpick after you cut it, so you can have a better grip on it when you use it to roll paper strips. I use a plastic holder that I got from a mechanic pencil which was no longer working. You can also use a pen to insert your toothpick in it, whatever you find around your house. Another thing you will need is a paper cutter, which you will use in order to cut the toothpick at one of its ends, or even at both ends, so that when one end gets damaged, you can use the other end. And of course, lastly, you also need a cutting mat. Begin by placing your toothpick on the cutting mat and holding it firmly, while you gently but firmly cut it with the paper cutter. It's important to get the cut right through the middle of the pointy toothpick. But like I said before, don't worry if you don't succeed from the first try. Even now, I sometimes am not able to do that from the first try. The good thing is that toothpicks are very cheap and I can try again. Once you have finished cutting your toothpick, insert it in the plastic holder or whatever you have on hand, and there it is! You have successfully made your own quilling slotted toothpick. Then begin trying it out and seeing how it works. So yeah, that's about all there is to it. Comment below what your favorite quilling tool is and why, or if you use other types of quilling slotted tools, do share, so others can learn more about them. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one!